Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at US Steel, and I'm going to be selling a Strangle in here today. I have a bunch of stock and I do like it. Around 20 bucks, I think it's a good deal. And this will lower my cost basis to that level almost. So I'm writing a covered call and selling a cash covered put. So I'm going to go right here, get kind of greedy if I can, and make this trade. Alright, we finally got filled at 233 for that Strangle on US Steel. Now let's go back and look at the portfolio. So here's my position in US Steel. I have 600 shares currently, and I've more than doubled my money, so I'm okay with those stocks getting called away potentially, at least 100 shares of them. I've been kind of reducing my position as we go. I was selling covered calls and puts along the way. Just capitalizing on the growth that I've had. Locking in my gains, potentially. Alright guys, tell me what you think about US Steel and this trade. And hopefully this gives you more trade ideas. So be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.